This video is brought to you by NordVPN, the best VPN service for free and open internet. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Here you can see, I have imported all the files required for this project. You can download them from below, link in the description. Complete After Effects template is also available on my web store. You can check link in the description. Now let's see how to create this glitch logo reveal. Create a new composition. I will name it as glitch logo. Set time duration to 6 seconds, remaining everything will be same. Now let's add the logo to the timeline. Here you can scale your logo if needed. Here I will scale my logo. Perfect. Now let's pre-compose it. Name it as logo. Select move all attribute into new composition. Now for this logo composition, in effects and preset, search for Vegas. Add it to the logo composition. For Vegas, in image contour, set channel to value. Now set segments to 1. Now at near about 2 seconds and 10 frames. Create keyframe for length. Now move 10 frames forward. Change length to 0. Select random phase. Now in rendering, set blend mode to transparent. Change color to white. Set width to 1. Set start opacity to 0. Set midpoint opacity to 1. Set end opacity to 1. Change logo composition to 3D. Press P to bring up position, set Z position to 800. Now scale it to 170%. Now set opacity to 20%. Now let's trim this logo composition to 2 seconds and 20 frames. Now let's create duplicate of the logo composition. Now change Z position to -800. Now increase scale value to 350%. Now trim this composition to 20 frames. Now again create duplicate. Set Z position to -700. Now let's trim this composition at 1 second and 2 second and 20 frames. Now again create duplicate. Press R to bring up rotation, set Y rotation to -50 degree. Now set position to -1800. Now set opacity to 40%. Now change scale to 370. Now add the logo composition to the timeline. Now add glitch block media file to the timeline. Hide it. For logo composition, in Effects and Preset, search for CC Image Wipe. Add it to the logo composition. For Image Wipe, in Gradient, set Layer to Glitch Block. Set Property to Red. Now at 10 frames. Create keyframe for completion. Set completion to 6. Now at 2 seconds. Set completion to 2. Set border softness to 7. Select auto softness. You can see the preview. Press U to view keyframe, select keyframes, change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Now slightly adjust the speed graph. Perfect. Change it to 3D. Now change Z position to -40. You can see the preview. Now trim it at 3 seconds. Now add logo composition to the timeline. Change it to 3D. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Vegas. Add it to the logo composition. For Vegas, in Image Contour, set Channel to Value. Set Segment to 1. Now at Start. Create keyframe for length. Set it to 0. Now at 2 seconds. Change length to 1. Select Random Phase. Press U to view keyframe. Change End Keyframe Assistant to Easy Ease. Now slightly adjust the speed graph. Now change blend mode to transparent. Change color to white. Set width to 1.4. Set opacity to 0. Set midpoint opacity to 1. Set end opacity to 1. Set position to 40. Now create duplicate. For Vegas. Set width to 1. Set position to 100. Now slight adjust the position on timeline. Now again create duplicate. For Vegas. Set width to 1.4. Now again slightly adjust position on timeline. Select 3 logo composition, at 2 seconds 10. Trim the logo composition. You can see the preview. Now create null object. Change it to 3D. Now select the 3 logo compositions, parent it to null object. For null, press R to bring up rotation. At start create keyframe for Y rotation. Now at 2 second. Change rotation to 1. Now for end keyframe, change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Slightly adjust the speed graph. Now create a new camera. Press P to bring up position. Now at start, create keyframe position, adjust the Z position value as shown. Now at 10 frames. Adjust the position. Now at 2 seconds. Adjust the position. Depending on your logo, you can make required changes. Now add the logo composition to the timeline, place it below glitch block. Trim it at 2 seconds and 15 frames. You can see the preview. Perfect. Change it to 3D. Now again create a new camera. Trim it at 18 frames. Place it at shown. Press P to bring up position, create keyframe for position. Move 5 frames forward, increase position value. Now at end. Adjust the position value. Now select all layers, pre-compose them. Name it as logo outline. Now add background particle media file to the timeline. Now add color lines to the timeline. For logo outline, in Effects and Preset, search for CC Cross Blur, add it to the logo composition. For blur, set radius X to 100. Radius Y to 100. Select repeat edge pixels. Now at 2 seconds and 20 frames. Create keyframe for opacity, set opacity to 50%. Now at 3 seconds and 15 frames. Set opacity to 0. Now add logo outline composition to the timeline. In Effects and Preset, search for Fill, add it to the logo composition. Set fill color as shown. Now again create duplicate. Now again add logo outline composition to timeline. Trim it at 3 seconds. Trim the logo outline composition to 3 seconds. Now again add logo outline composition to the timeline. Add fill. Set color as shown. Now press P to bring up position. Now here you need to create random keyframe for position and adjust the position value for X and Y. Create 4 to 5 keyframe at distance of 1 or 2 frames. Here you are free to create position keyframes and also you can adjust the positions. Now create duplicate. Change color to blue. Press P to bring up position. Now adjust the position as shown. Now again create duplicate. Set fill color to red. Here I will also modify the keyframes. Here you are free to make changes according to your choice. Now change the mode for logo outline composition to screen. Now trim the above outline composition to 3 seconds. Now add the glitch line composition to the timer line. Hide it. Now create a new adjustment layer. Trim at 15 frames. In Effects and Preset, search for Displacement Map. Add to Adjustment Layer. For displacement, change Map to Glitch Line. Now at Start, create keyframe for horizontal displacement, set it to 0. Set vertical to 0. Now move 1 frame forward. Change displacement to 250. Now at 4 frames, set displacement to -55. Move 3 frames forward, change displacement to -60. Now at 10 frames, set it to 0. You can see the preview. For scale, unlink it, set Y scale to 30. Now slightly adjust the position. Create duplicative adjustment layer. Position it as shown. Here you can adjust the keyframe if you want. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect. Here our glitch logo reveal is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.